Weather Authority local forecast.
Welcome back, everybody. Yes, we're developing into a very chilly night, to say the least. We'll get into that in just a second. But in the meantime, your RV World Yuma Sky Cam giving you a glimpse of the city of Yuma amongst the rest of the desert Southwest. And that takes us now to what we're seeing in regards to the western scene, in regards to your satellite radar perspective. And we're pretty much in the clear at this particular point. Not expected to change all that much through the rest of the evening. But yes, there is freezing concerns. And speaking of which, we have a freeze warning in play through much of the desert Southwest, in particular the eastern side, Interstate 8 between Dayton and Welton, and then up on the Colorado River corridor from Blythe all the way up into Quartzsite as well. So we're talking about temperatures tonight getting in the low 30s, in some cases even below freezing. So yes, there is that concern tonight, especially from an agricultural standpoint. As you can see, we're pretty much in the 40s and barely holding on to 50 degrees in the Holtville area. We go further to the east and temperature is pretty nippy as well. And before we get to the end of this night, especially in eastern Yuma County, we could be in the range between 33 and 30 degrees altogether. So yes, it is definitely going to be a cold night tonight, at least by our standards here at home. The future of the winds, well, there's not too much of a future in that particular regard, although we've been huffing and puffing this week and even today. But you're seeing that this is going to pretty much wear off pretty quickly as we get on into the coming weekend. Now, your Metrocast, we're talking 52 degrees by 8 a.m. and then we'll rise the temperatures to close to 70. We might not even get to that point, and then we'll get down into the low end 50s as we get on into the evening. Now, one thing we want to kind of share with you, and we've shared this a little bit already today, Anthony Martin bringing us his perspective of merry and bright as far as holiday pictures are concerned, and there's that icicle effect over at his house. So thank you for sending that, and of course we invite you to send your pictures as well. Here's a look at your Yuma International Airport extended forecast. As you can see, we'll get up into the 70s and stay that way for the next several days beyond tomorrow, of course. We'll be above average at the beginning of the week, and then we'll get right back to average beyond the fact. So all in all, this is a real nice forecast as we continue on into the month of December.